Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Marches here with your outlook for April 18th, 2017. For your Tuesday, we're going to have high pressure and control today, sitting right over top of the area. So we're going to have some very calm winds, very pleasant day to be outside, bright sunny skies, low humidity, temperatures that are just slightly above normal for this time of year in the middle 60s. So a very nice day to be out and about today. The skies will be mostly clear this evening, and then we're going to have partly cloudy skies overnight because we're going to have a warm front that's going to be approaching the area that's going to get here on Wednesday. Now, as this moves off to the north, you're not going to get much more than clouds from this, and that's going to be during the day on Wednesday. You really can't even see it here because high pressure is still trying to influence our weather. So we were talking about this earlier in the week, that the absence of rainfall, because you still have this high pressure influence sitting right up here. But you do have an onshore flow, so you do have the opportunity for at least some plenty of clouds to be around. I don't think you see much sun here on Wednesday, but you do have, with those clouds in place, you do have the cooler temperatures as well. But the high pressure is going to act to dry things out. It's going to create a little bit of a dome right here. So at least in our coverage area, we're expecting for the most, if not all of the day, to be dry, just cloudy and cool. For the majority of the day. There is an opportunity for a late day shower, especially for our northern sections, but again, that high pressure is going to be kind of blocking some of that moisture trying to make its way northward through the region. We do think that overnight Wednesday night into very early Thursday morning, it could be a few showers, at least for our central and northern areas, but these are just very light and very hit or miss. This is again along the warm front, which now you can see has some moisture with it because the high pressure is losing its grip and losing its influence. But since the warm front is off to the north, you're going to have some warming, especially from areas in the south heading off to the north. We're going to have be in a warm sector because you have a cold front here in association with this area low pressure, and that's where this warm front is connected to as well. So this is all warmer air down in here in this region. If you're on this side of the front, it is cooler. We will not be on that side of the front, so we're expecting to be warmer here on Thursday. Now, going forward from this point, we do expect a cold front to come through the region very early Friday morning. We'll have an opportunity for late at night on Thursday to have a few showers. Again, not a big deal. Not an overwhelming amount of rain expected, at least not right now. The models have been doing a few things here early this week. We were looking at this last week. It looked like it could be some decent rainfall with this. As we're getting closer and closer, it's now going the other direction where it's trending drier. So that is not good news if you're looking for some rainfall to help out your growing plants and shrubbery. Right now it is looking like it is just going to be very light rain at that. And then just as this front moves through, even though the front's moving through on Friday morning, I do expect that we're going to have another day of warmth, at least for these sections south and east of this line here, until the cold front and the cold air that's trailing it, which will not come immediately, will trail it, and that'll set up Saturday to be cooler. But I do expect Friday is going to be a warmer day. So if you're looking at your phone apps and seeing some very cool temperatures on Friday, I wouldn't really buy into that just yet. I think you're going to have one more day of warmth, and then when I say warmth, you're talking about 70s for highs here on Friday as well. So if you have 70 or so on, maybe higher than that even in some places on Thursday, maintaining that on Friday, and then the cold air push comes in behind it, and that'll get here for Saturday. I do think Saturday is a dry day. Here's your look at Saturday. Dry across the region, but again, it will be cooler. You're going to have winds coming in from generally the north or northwest on Saturday, so you have temperatures that'll be stuck in the 50s in some locations. We're going to keep a close eye on this system right here. This is a constantly evolving system. There are some indications this could be a very big storm. There are some indications this will be a very quick mover as well and be in and out of here and not really do much more than showers. That's shown here on Sunday. This is a look at Sunday right here. It was showing some redevelopment to a low further south, and the models are still kind of indicating that it's going to happen, but it's now the evolution of this is now changing with each run now. And this system yesterday was showing being right about here, and then influeing our weather up in this direction, is now further offshore and heading out in this direction. So that takes all the heaviest rain offshore. A lot of different possibilities with this late week system. We're talking about a cutoff low here. Definitely will be cool. So temperatures will be stuck in the 50s with the clouds. Chance for showers here in the Sunday, Monday time frame. Maybe even Tuesday if this thing hangs around a little bit closer to the shore. We could have some influence here on Tuesday as well. And because this is what it looks like on Tuesday in the latest runs, at least for eastern sections. So the Sunday to Tuesday time frame is where this cutoff low could be influencing our weather. It could be in some areas much less than others, and very much so just further southeast. We'll see. A lot of time to check out the evolution of this one. Of course, we were looking at the system this week that looked like a big deal, and it's now kind of fell apart. So we don't want to latch on to any idea right now for this late week system, because a lot of different things are going to happen to it. But look like we're going to keep at least moderate chances for showers in the forecast for our 6 and 7 day forecasts that extend to Sunday and Monday of next week right now, until we get a firm handle on this cutoff low next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for April 18th, 2017. Have a great Tuesday.